Hey guys, it's me. So I've become quite the technology expert in the last 48 hours. For the technology assignment, I chose to make a Jeopardy game using Stu's quiz boxes. Figured that would be a fun little diversion for my class. If you go to quizboxes.com, you can download Stu's quiz box. It puts a nice little icon on your desktop. This is actually a neat application. Go ahead and launch it. Uh, Once you download it, it installs a folder on your C drive, which is where all the game information is actually stored. So it has a couple of neat little things that you can do. You can play the full game. You can play a little short 20-question game, or you can play a quick 10-question game. You can allow negative scores or not. I like negative scores. That's the fun part of Jeopardy. The neat thing is you get to be Alex Trebek through this whole thing. So you can choose how many teams you want. So you can divide your class up several different ways. We'll choose two. You give them names, whatever you want, and then off you go. Then it asks you to download the quizzes. You can make different ones and save them. You can also download different quizzes off of Stu's site if you want to. It allows you to record songs. It allows you to do different skins. That actually allows you to build your own skins. And then this is the folder where your quizzes are stored. When I downloaded it, it came with these three that were already loaded in there. Then, of course, I made my own, which are called EMS. I'll go ahead and load that up. And then it looks just like a standard Jeopardy. This is your back end. So if you want to make your questions, you can either make a new quiz. If you poke that, all of this will go away. And then you just put your questions right in there with your answers. If you want to, you get to title all your different categories. And of course, the object is to make your 200-point questions much easier than your 1,000-point questions. It also allows you to do double and triple Jeopardy, and then at the end, there's also a final Jeopardy category. If you want to do that, exit out of that. You can go. I said you can make your own skins. EMS is one that I made. It came with Harry Potter and something about Sydney Harbor. You have a foreground and a background. It's going to make me do the EMS one again. So you have a foreground picture and then a background picture, and as you move through the questions, those boxes go away. So let's just look at some of the questions. I'll take breakfast for you for 200, Alex. So the way you would work this is there are places where you can buy very cheap little buzzers that your students can actually press and it makes noise. There's really no way to hook it up so the game tells who buzzed in first. I'm just going to have them raise their hand, and I'm just going to be the judge who buzzed in first. But the object of this is to have it projected. You can download this game onto any computer, and you can carry all of your quizzes and stuff in a flash drive, and it'll download them actually from your flash drive. So you just project that on the screen, and off we go, and you play it just like standard Jeopardy. So team one comes up and they give an answer, and it's what are bronchioles? Right? You're like, well, that's not the right answer, so sorry, you lost 200 points. Team two comes up with alveoli. What is alveoli, Alex? Well, there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. You got 200. The other team lost 200, so that just returns you to the board. And you just play these things, like I said, just like standard Jeopardy. What is Frank Starling reflex? There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me see if I can find. I think some of these are double Jeopardy. There we go. In shock. So then you get to actually answer, or you get to bet how much you want to do it. So let's do team one. Septic, neurogenic, anaphylactic, and psychogenic. Did they get those points? Yeah, they did. Look at that. Boom. How about this one? There we go again. So let's ask the question. So this is going to make you, this is the final Jeopardy one, or actually one of the double Jeopardy ones. And it'll ask you how much you want to risk. The other one just doubles your score. That's right. So they have ones that double your score, and this is the one where you can actually get to pick how much you want to risk. So team one has 1,800 points, so we have quite a bit to play with. 809 points. It sounds like fun. Why are alligators abnormally aggressive? So let's see if they can come up with the answer. Because they got out of them teeth and no toothbrush. Ding, ding, ding. So they got that right. So off you go. And then as you can see, the background picture probably comes into focus in there. Like I said, it's actually really it's really handy. This tells you all about it. You can select a new question file if you want to. Like I said, you can go back and you can edit all of these. It actually lets you do, you can insert images and also audio files, MP3s. If for some reason you want to do an audio daily double or an audio question. Like I said, it just works exactly just like Jeopardy. Just go ahead and exit back out of that, and then it'll take you, if you have issues with it, you can hit the help, and it'll bring up, take you straight to quizboxes.com, and then you can have pretty much anything that you want to in here. It's a free program. They ask for donations. If you think it's awesome enough to go ahead and donate to, there you go. Probably the easiest way I found to create new quizzes is to make them in Excel, and you just directly upload it into the game instead of going back and doing it all by hand. And that, you can put images in there, create your own skins. Like I said, you can just do pretty much anything you need to with this. And like I said, it should be a whole lot of fun for your class, a little diversion. And it's also educational, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, so that's pretty much all about Stu's Quizbox. If anybody has any questions, go ahead and post them up, and I will try to get back with you. Thanks a ton.